Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Dahil na-miss ko mag-unboxing tayo ng Smart Wi-Fi LED Strip version 2 from Lasco. Okay, so if hindi nyo alam si Lasco is a Filipino brand. Ang products nila is mostly for automation. So kagaya nito, Smart Wi-Fi LED strip. Meron pa silang mga bulbs, power strip na connected to Wi-Fi. So if you are planning on doing a home automation or smart home, then Lasco is your brand. So this is a Filipino brand. So nakaka-proud lang kasi nagsa-start na yung home automation na cheap compared to other brands na international brands. So kung gusto mo mag-start ng home automation, just check out Lasco from Lazada. They have tons of products that you can buy if you are starting out to make an home automation. Okay, so here's the box. This is, by the way, the version 2. Yung previous version, bilis ma-out of stock. Ang daming nag-aabang. Pag check ko yung mga queries sa Lazada, ang laging tanong is, kailan ba magkaka-restock? So, antay ako ng antay. Out of stock pa din siya. And then, buti na lang, check ko ulit yung mga products nila. Naglabas na pala sila ng bago. So, I'm not sure if yung version 1 magtutuloy pa. Kinuha ko na si version 2. So, ang major difference lang na nakikita ko so far ng version 1 to version 2 is the version 2 has 5 pins. 5 pin yung connector niya. So, papakita ko na lang siya mamaya. I ordered this last August 24 and dumating na siya sa akin ng August 26. So, mabilis lang yung delivery nila. So, let's do the unboxing. Oh. So, pagka-open mo, meron na siyang, I'm guessing this is the LED strip. So, ayan. And then, you have the wall charger. And then, there's still a remote. You can still use the remote. You can still use the remote, parang yung mga lumang LED strips. And then, I guess, ito yung plug. Okay, let's open. Ito yung 5 pin. Ito yung 5 pin. Maybe it's the connector or for the extension. The instruction manual. Another unboxing. A package inside the package. Oh, so ito na siya. So, 3M yung gamit nila. For the adhesive tape, you're sure na high quality nung adhesive nila. The length of this LED strip is 2 meters. Bumili ako ng extension, 1 meter roll extension. So, let's open this also. So, similar lang, 3M adhesive din yung gamit nila. So, ito siya. This is the 2 meters, this is the 1 meter. Okay, here it is guys. 2 meters 3M adhesive tape. IP65 waterproof. Pwede siyang matalsikan ng tubig pero hindi mo siya pwedeng ibabad or ilubog sa tubig. So it has RGB and warm light color. So you can connect via Android or iOS. Here are the features. So the LED strip, it has 14 watts. It has also 60 LED beads. It has also schedule timer. So you can make a schedule na on-off mo siya on a particular time. Ang pinakamaganda dito dahil home automation nga si Lasco, you can use voice command. If you have Alexa or Google Home or Google Mini, you can use that to activate the Lasco LED strip. If wala ka naman ganon, you can also use your mobile phone. So install ka lang ng Lasco app. And then you can change the colors, turn it on or off using your phone. Nakita nyo na yung mga specs and features ni Lasco Smart Wi-Fi LED Strip version 2. Ngayon, papakita ko naman yung itsura ng desk nang nakalagay na yung LED strip. Ayun. So, guys, ang ganda niya sa personal. Yung brightness niya, I'm not sure if na-capture ba ng maayos nung camera. Pero ibang-iba siya sa personal. Sobrang liwanag niya. Sa tingin ko, hindi ko 100% lagi yung brightness ng ilaw. Kasi pag sobrang lakas, parang naagaw na nung attention ko. Tinatry ko kunyaring mag-computer. Tapos naka 100% yung brightness. Masyado siyang maliwanag for me. Siguro mga nasa around 50 to 70% nung brightness niya. So, ganun siya kaliwanag. Which is okay. You have a lot of room para mag-adjust kung gaano mo siya gusto kaliwanag or kadilim. Pero, so far, I'm impressed. Also, one thing I am happy about this LED strip kasi I have LED strip before na ginamit ko sa TV ko. And tinry ko siya dito sa desk ko para hindi na ako bumili ng LED strip. Kaso, nung nilagay ko siya, okay naman. Hindi siya kasing liwanag ni Lasco. Pero when I tried to capture a video, medyo may flickering. So, si Lasco LED strip, wala. Sobrang okay niya. So, nakatingin ako ngayon habang kinakausap ko kayo. So, sorry hindi ako nakatingin sa camera. Pero talagang na-amaze lang ako sa quality ng ilaw. May future ang Filipino home automation. So, thank you Lasco for making a high quality home automation for Filipinos. So, 'di ba, ang ganda ni Lasco Smart Wi-Fi LED strip. Actually, hindi lang si LED strip yung maganda. Marami pa silang products na magaganda. So, let's just support local. Also, to give you a sneak peek, hindi lang ito yung Lasco na i-unbox ko. So, magkakaroon pa ako ng iba pang Lasco items. This is just the first item na gagamitin natin for home automation. So, watch out for those other items. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you are not yet already, and smash that bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna ulit guys. Talk to you soon.